What if I told you there was a better way to replace parts on your machine? Quick, no risk, cost-effective, and good for the environment. A solution that is equivalent to replacing with new. Same quality, same performance, same specification, and the same warranty as new, but typically 30% cheaper. AGCO Reman is a high-technology solution, not just for engines, but for a range of systems and components, from fuel injection equipment to turbos, to cylinder heads and gearboxes. When an engine comes to the end of its life, it needs to be replaced quickly. AGCO Reman offers a reliable and efficient solution to get your machines back to work as quickly as possible. It can simply be replaced with a remanufactured engine. A straightforward one-out, one-in exchange at your dealership. You'll be straight back to work with the peace of mind that comes with a full 12 months warranty on all Reman parts. Remanufacturing is far more than a repair or refurbishment. It's a systematic process to rebuild the engine to the as-new standard back to the original manufacturer's specification. Every AGCO Reman factory follows the same strict procedure. Initially, the used core is stripped down to each individual component part. Then, every single part is thoroughly cleaned using multi-stage specialist deep cleaning processes. Next, each individual part is meticulously measured against the manufacturer's specification to determine if it is still within tolerance. Any parts that fall outside of tolerance are replaced with new. This continues for every single component part that makes up the system. No compromise, no question, no doubt. All wear parts, such as bearings, seals, rings and pistons, are replaced with new as standard. When every part has been checked or replaced, we start to rebuild, again ensuring we stick to the manufacturer's specification every step of the way. The result? A remanufactured unit that's as good as new. But we're not done yet. All Reman parts are tested on specialist test rigs to ensure performance and reliability standards are met. And finally, we have the finished product, rebuilt, tested, packaged, ready to go. AGCO Parts remanufactures not just engines, but gearboxes, fuel injection pumps, turbos, electronics, hydraulic pumps, starters and cylinder heads, as well as many of the constituent products within these systems. The end result, a remanufactured unit as good as new, saving you time, money and the environment with AGCO Reman.